Hello everyone, how to do it. Back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to enable notification on Huawei by TikTok application. Like if you think that there is a problem, you will not receive any notification from this app, then you can follow this video or watch this video. So first of all, you have to go on the right top corner on your screen. It's a profile icon. Again, tap the right top corner, the settings option, and scroll down. The tap and notification, the third option on this row, and then here you'll see all the notification is turned off or disable. So if you want to enable a specific one, then you can turn on a specific, or if you want to get the all the notification is enabled, then do it manually. So after that there will be no problem, you will get notification. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.